Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a new AI software called Affiliate Stores. This tool helps you create a fully stocked affiliate store automatically. You simply enter a product name, the sales page URL, and your affiliate link, and the AI scans the page and generates a complete SEO-optimized product review for your store. You can promote products from platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or Amazon without creating products, managing inventory, or handling customer support. And if you get affiliate stores through my link, I'm also including some valuable bonuses. For example, you'll get Comic Studio AI Creator for generating AI illustrations and characters, VoiceDub Global AI to translate and dub videos into multiple languages, GrammarGuard AI Editor to improve your writing, and ClearCut Background AI to remove image backgrounds instantly. That's just a few of the bonuses included. To see the full bonus list, click the link in the video description below. Now let's jump into the full demo of affiliate stores so you can see exactly how it works.
We are here today with Brett Rutecki. Brett, welcome back to the show.
Hey, Mike, thanks for having me.
Brett, today we're going to be talking about something that we're going to be releasing on Sunday, and we're really excited about this, a way that people are going to be able to create their own affiliate stores. But what does that mean, creating an affiliate store? Why should they even be doing that? Well, I can answer that right off the bat here. Brett's actually used this system in order to create over $2,500 per month. And now you're going to be able to actually copy this exact way of doing it and in a way that is super, super easy. So Brett, bring us into this. What's this all about and why should we be excited?
So one of the things that I do, everybody knows that I do affiliate marketing, but most people also know that I create software. I actually consider myself a software developer before an affiliate marketer. And one of the ways that I make money is I actually have a web store using a different platform that I created where I sell my digital products, the software that I create. I have it on, I've had it on for a while. It ranks well in Google. I get free traffic to it every day, and I make sales of software that I created. And that's a really great way to make money online, to have a store to sell your products. And I started thinking about my customers, and I'm like, people that buy stuff from me, the vast majority of them aren't software developers. They don't have products to sell like I do. So how could they have a store like I do, but they don't have any products to sell? And then I was thinking to myself, like, well, of course they have products to sell. Anybody can sign up to be an affiliate. You can sign up to be an affiliate and sell digital products like I do on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, that type of product. Or you could sign up to be an affiliate and sell physical products, Amazon products, Temu, I think Temu has one, Alibaba, they all have affiliate places as well. So there's options to sell products that you don't actually own. And that's where the idea of affiliate store came into where I got it from. The idea being that I know people want to sell products like I do. I know people don't have products to sell, so why not just create a system that builds a store for them and allows them to sell other people's products as an affiliate? This way they don't have to do, they don't have to create products, they don't have to ship products, they don't have to do customer support, any of that work. You just rank your store, get people to the site, which mostly comes from free Google traffic. They make a purchase, you get your commission, and that's the end of it.
So essentially, people don't have to create their own products, so they can have a store. They don't create any products themselves, which is always a pain in the butt to do. And they can use AI to actually create the entire listing for them, so they don't have to write anything. Because I know that you've actually spent time in the past, like going down and sitting and kind of thinking what the product is about. You have to go through it. You have to kind of understand exactly what it is and then write up a thing about it. The system completes it all for you.
Yeah, absolutely. The AI does all the writing for you. That was actually something that was really important to me as well, because as you know, I'm a very technical person. I'm a very math-oriented person. I'm a person that thinks logically. But when it comes to vocal or especially written words, I'm absolutely terrible at it. So when the idea came of, hey, I can use AI to just write the listing, create all the content, basically build the store for me, that was a pretty exciting thing for me personally even. And that's all you really have to do. You go ahead and you just enter in the sales page for the product, and the AI does all the work for you.
Now I'm going to show a demo here in a second, but before we do that, one thing that I think is really important is these systems, and I've seen systems before that will create like stores, create content, but one of the biggest problems is always getting traffic. Where's that traffic going to come from? And I was actually doing some research on this because Brett had he released this. He actually got beta testers to test this out. And I went in and I was like, okay, Brett's talking about like getting free traffic and stuff from SEO. And I went in and I found that you have tons of customers, not just you, but your customers are already ranking in Google and getting free traffic. So you've done something behind the scenes here that's allowing people to actually be able to rank and get that free traffic without much work.
Yeah, so when you sign up to be a Google approved developer, which I actually am a Google approved developer, both like for the web developer, and believe it or not, I'm actually approved as a Google app developer. I did that, went through that process about a year ago, just because I wanted to. I had this dream I was going to make video games for apps. But anyway, so I'm a Google approved developer. And when you go ahead and become that, they actually give you a list of things and say, this is what we want you to do. This is how we want you to build sites. And then you can actually use their tools to check the sites and say, hey, we want you to change this. We want you to change that. So the vast majority of work that I spent on building this system was going through Google, getting them to check the beta testers pages. How do I tweak it? How do I make sure it gets the best ranking? I spent a ton of time doing that to ensure that the stores that people build will actually rank inside of Google. And as you can see, that time has paid off because stores are ranking. People are getting free Google traffic. And that really is the only free traffic you're ever going to get. People like to talk about free traffic all the time. And they say, well, go ahead and post to Facebook. And, that's not free traffic. You're spending time. The only real free traffic you're ever going to get is from search engines and people just going to your site while you're not doing anything. And that's what this system does.
And the reason why you're able to get that as well is because it's creating content. The AI is creating that content that is related to that search term. So people are searching for different things. They're coming in, they're finding it. And their intent is, in general, that they're looking for that product. So the likelihood that they're actually going to buy is much, much higher. Let's take a look here. Oh, go ahead.
I will say this. I mean, you don't get thousands of hits to a single product in your store. I mean, you get dozens, but you have lots of different products in your store. It's so quick to add a product to your store, and since you don't actually have to make the product, deliver the product, why not? Send a bunch of products to your store. You get a little bit of traffic to each one, but it totally adds up to a large amount of traffic. And if anybody in that traffic makes a purchase, you get paid.
Let's jump over, take a look at a quick demo, and we'll be back in a sec to talk a little bit more about what you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase and what's included inside of the sales funnel. We'll be back in a sec.
Hey guys, Brett here, and having your own web store full of products to sell is easily one of the most profitable things anybody can do to make passive income online. As a matter of fact, I personally make thousands of dollars from my web store. However, I realize that not everybody has their own products to sell. And because of this, I created a new AI-powered platform that allows anybody to quickly and easily create a full web store in any niche full of products, digital or physical, that they never have to own, create, ship, or provide support for. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. Okay, guys, so one of the best things to use Affiliate Store is to promote and sell digital products. So what's great about this is that you don't have to sell digital products that you actually own. There's plenty of networks out there that will give you digital products that you can sell, that will let you sell their digital products in order to get a commission. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital product to your affiliate store. Now, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use the JVZoo network, but you don't have to use the JVZoo network. You can use ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus. There's a variety of different networks that you can utilize and a variety of different products that you can put in your store. Generally speaking, though, you're going to want to put the same kind of product in the store, at least similar types, because they're all going to be relevant to the people that come to your store then. So here's a product by Joshua Zamora. I'm going to go ahead and add this product to my affiliate store. So the first thing I want to do is go back over to affiliate stores, and I want to go ahead and click on new product. This is going to ask me for a couple of things. The first thing is the product name. The second thing is the sales page URL of the product. This is the actual sales page of the product, not my affiliate link. The third thing is going to be my affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in all this information, and then I'm going to go ahead and click save and continue. Now, Affiliate Stores is going to use AI to go ahead and scan the page and start writing a sales page for that product to add to my store automatically. Once it finishes writing the sales page, it's going to take me to a page where I can go ahead and edit it. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and change active to yes, because I do want this to show on my store. Now, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and change the content that the AI wrote, but I don't want to do that. AI does a great job of writing the content, and it writes it as a sales pitch. So it's really good content already. I don't need to worry about that. If I have a video for my sales page, I can go ahead and enter in my video embed code here. Now, I can go ahead and just leave everything like it is and click on Save Product. What I want to do, though, is enter in some images for my store. I want some images that are relative to the product to be inside of the product review. So I'm going to go ahead and add some images. And I'm going to get those images from the sales page for this product. So let me go ahead on over to the sales page. And what I'm going to do is just scroll down and look for some images that I'd like to be inside of my page. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on an image that I liked. And I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. I'll save that one. And I think I'll save a couple of more here. Let's go ahead and save this one. And I think I'll save one more image. Let's do this one right here. I wouldn't spend a ton of time deciding on which images to save. Just go ahead and grab some images from the sales page so that way you can use them to dress up your page on Affiliate Store. Once you have your images downloaded, head back over to Affiliate Store and just go ahead and upload those images inside of your store. I'm going to go ahead and save the product, and everything is all done. That page is now on my store, ready to make sales. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And there it is, the page on my store, the images that I've uploaded, plus the AI generated content. And of course, at the bottom of the content is a link that will take people to the sales page via my affiliate link. So if they pick it up, I get an affiliate commission. So another great use for affiliate stores is to use it to sell physical products. So what's great about it is that you can sell physical products that you don't have to create, you don't have to own, you don't have to ship. You can actually sell other people's physical products with Affiliate Store. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a physical product to your affiliate store. So probably one of the easiest and best ways to find physical products to add to your store is on Amazon. So I'm going to head over to Amazon and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find a product that I'm interested in adding to my store. So here's one that I'm going to go ahead and add. And to get started, I'm going to go back over to Affiliate Store and I'm going to click on the new product button. And again, this is going to ask me for three things: the product name, the sales page URL, and my affiliate link. In this case, this would be my Amazon affiliate link. So I'm going to head back over here and I'm going to get the product URL. Now, when you look at the product URL in Amazon, you might notice that there's a little ref equals. This is just for Amazon tracking, so you don't want that in that part when you go grab the URL. Just grab everything before the letters ref equals. I'll go ahead and copy this and take it back over to Affiliate Stores, and I'm going to enter it inside of here. Now, I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter the sales page URL instead of my affiliate link. If this was on a live store and not a demo, you would want to enter in your Amazon affiliate. And again, I'm using Amazon for this example, but you can use any network that sells physical products that you're an affiliate with. Any site that sells physical products that will let you be an affiliate for, you can go ahead and utilize. I'm just using Amazon as an example. I'm going to go ahead and enter in the product name. And for here, you can see the product name is actually quite long. I'm just going to go ahead and shorten this and just grab endoscope camera with light. Actually, I'm just going to say endoscope camera. We'll go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to take it back over to Affiliate Store, and I'm going to paste it inside of there and click on Save and Continue. And again, the system is now going to use AI to scan the sales page and write a complete sales review of the product on my store. From this point, everything is the same as it was for a digital product. I want to make it active to yes, so that way it shows in my store. I can enter in a video code if I want to, and I can go ahead and I can edit the review if I actually want to, but I don't want to do that because the AI does a great job. I also want to go ahead and upload images, and I'm going to get these from Amazon as well. So you can see there are plenty of images here. All I have to do is right click, open in a new tab, and save this image to my computer, just like I did with a digital product. and we'll save the product. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it looks like on our store. So here it is on my store, and as you can see, I have a full, very detailed review of the product. I've got the images for the product, and of course, on the bottom is my affiliate link, which if people click on that and make a purchase, I will get an affiliate credit. There's also some more products that are listed to get people to browse around and get them interested in the other things that you have on your store. And of course, if you go ahead and click on the home, you can see a full listing of all the products that are on the store for people to check out, for people to potentially purchase through you. And in this way, once again, you can have a complete store of physical products that you don't actually have to create or ship or even support.
Okay, so we are back. So Brett, okay, so if people decide that they want to pick this up, can you talk a little bit about what they're going to be getting if they purchase and the upgrades that they're going to be offered?
Okay, so the front end purchase is, a low cost. We're going to start at a very low price. We want it to be affordable to everybody. And with that purchase, you get to create your store, and you can have up to 10 products on your store. Now, if you delete a product, you can add another. So it's not like 10 products and you're done, but it's 10 products at any one time. And the reason for that is because this does use AI, and I have AI fees to pay. So I have to have some kind of cap on it, for paying a low one-time price. So that was the front end purchase. You fully featured. I'm not going to limit the software at all, as far as functionality, but you are limited to 10 products. Now, as I said, you generally want as many products as possible on your store, because every single product you have on your store is a new page, a new chance to rank in Google, a new chance to get free traffic, and all that traffic adds up to a large amount of traffic, which is how you make decent money. So there is an upgrade to get unlimited products. Again, it has to be an upgrade because I am paying the API fees, for the AI to create the content for you. And if you choose to get that, then there is a final upgrade, which is my agency access. Agency access is the system that I have that lets you sell my software. So you can actually create accounts for other people. You can sell accounts. You can give it away as a bonus. It's completely up to you. So it's not a huge funnel. It is what I think is a pretty fair funnel. You want more, it costs a little more, but we try to keep the prices as reasonable as possible. We want everybody to have a chance to be successful while still covering all of our fees and costs.
So if they pick up that first upgrade, they can do unlimited products on their store. I think they can also put the store on their own domain if they want to. So that's another option. If you don't have to do that. That's just an option with the unlimited version. You can put it on your own domain, and it's going to remove branding from your stores as well.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. I did forget to mention that. Yeah,
I've got the page in front of me. I've got the cheat sheet, so I've got a little bit of an advantage.
If you have a basic account, we do put a little logo on the bottom, powered by affiliatestore.com. So if you want to remove that, then that is a part of the upgrade. And again, it's because the front end price is so low cost that we've got to have some way of recouping the AI fees and stuff.
Now I'm being a little bit sneaky here. It sounds like with the normal offer going through the funnel, you get to create one store with the first offer. Then with the first upgrade, you can put unlimited products on that one store. And with the third one, it allows you to sell it. But technically, Brett, if someone wanted to create more stores, could they just create their own account with another email and create another store? Are you okay with that?
Yeah, no, yeah. If you get the agency, you can create more accounts for yourself. If you want to have multiple stores, the system is designed as one store per purchase. And I built it that way because I wanted people to focus on one store. I wanted to build up one store instead of trying to spread themselves thin. But I understand that a lot of people have different interests, and maybe they want to sell physical products. Maybe they want to sell products in different physical niches. Like I want to have a sports store, and I want to have an electronics store, and I want to have a digital product store and a music store. So if people want to go ahead and get the agency and create multiple accounts for themselves so that way they can have multiple stores, I'm absolutely fine with that. They've paid for that right to do that.
And a person could technically go and create like one store about, I don't know, internet marketing. Like we do the internet marketing niche. So they could do one about that niche. And they could do one about physical products, one about another ClickBank affiliate program, whatever they're into. I don't know what people are doing, but technically they could really just be creating different stores based on different niches. But I'm guessing if I know you like I do, you would recommend not putting like Amazon products on a store about internet marketing? Like you probably want to have like one niche, one store.
Yeah, you definitely want to do that. And that's even for the SEO as well. It's going to be more difficult to rank if you have stores about different topics. So if you have one store and it's all about, I don't know, fishing, and you have fishing products on it, and you've got poles, and you've got fishing lures, and you've got tackle boxes, and I don't know anything about fishing, so I can't think of anything else. But you've got one store with 50 fishing products on it, and suddenly you put, a product on it about making money online or losing weight. I mean, that actually, Google's like, what the hell is this? Like, what's going on here? That's one of the things they actually talk about, in the developer docs, that consistency across the site is important. So yeah, if you want to have, different kinds of things, I would say have multiple stores. Don't try to mix them all in one.
Brett, thank you so much for coming on. Is there anything else, anything we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
No, I think we've covered everything.
Brett, again, thank you so much for coming on the show. And everyone, I hope you enjoy the product. We'll see you on Sunday. Thanks.